Super Squad! Process board's got a big update. So now, in the past, you had a process board, and we have an owner. You'd be set. You have to make a new one if you needed one. You can now dynamically change who the owner of a board is, and so the ownership that it's doing for records makes it a whole lot easier to use. I'm gonna pass over to Super Duper, show it how it works.
The Super Duper Feature Update.
It's process board ownership change.
Hello, this is Super Daniel bringing you another Super Duper Feature update with process boards. So now, if you go into the settings of your process board, you can now change the owner field after you've created the board. So you can now set it to use either the default or any of the other owners that are available on the board. So you can go in and select DManager, and it will give you a little warning that says that, hey, changing the owner will break the accuracy of historical analytics, but you can go ahead and hit save, and it'll go reset the board, and it will switch to the new owners. So yeah, as you can see, we're now using Deal Manager. All of the records here are using Deal Manager, and I can go in, hit the gear, switch it to Deal Collaborator, hit save, and then you can see it now uses the Deal Collaborator. And if I was to go to a board, let's see, that has Deal Collaborator, you can see, alright, initially, all of this looks correct. You can see it matches up. I've gone test agent, so you can see they match it. If I was to go and change it to Deal Owner, hit save, then you can see, look, they differ, everything's correct. You can also see that the analytics change because they no longer reflects because all the owners have switched up. So it just means everything before this point is kind of noise. There you go.